Hey! My name is Cody. I am a digital presenter for the PartsIPS. Today, I am going to talk about Frigidaire Compressor KIT part number 53044755102. The Frigidaire Compressor KIT part number 53044755102 is a replacement part for refrigerators and freezers. It includes the compressor, a start relay, overload protector, and mounting hardware. The compressor is responsible for circulating the refrigerant throughout the system to keep the temperature at the desired level. The start relay helps to start the compressor when it is turned on. The overload protector prevents damage to the compressor by shutting it off if it becomes overloaded. The mounting hardware allows for easy installation of the compressor kit. This part fixes the following symptoms. This compressor kit is designed to replace a faulty or damaged compressor in a Frigidaire refrigerator. It can help fix issues such as the refrigerator not cooling, the refrigerator making loud noises, or the refrigerator not running at all. Here is how you install this part. 1. Turn off the power to the refrigerator and unplug it from the wall outlet. 2. Remove the back panel of the refrigerator to access the compressor. 3. Disconnect all wires from the old compressor and remove it from its mounting bracket. 4. Install the new compressor in its place, making sure that all mounting screws are securely tightened. 5. Reconnect all wires to their respective terminals on the new compressor, making sure that they are firmly attached and not loose or damaged in any way. 6. Replace the back panel of the refrigerator and plug it. You can buy this part from www.partsips.com. Click on product link in video description or search with part number on www.partsips.com.
Visit www.partsips.com to order residential appliance parts.